Now let us solve this problem. Solve the recurrence relation using substitution method. T of n equal to 2 if n value is between 0 to 2, whereas if n is greater than 2, then the recurrence relation is 2t of root n plus c. So if you see the previous problems, then n value, if n is greater than 1, then we will have the recurrence relation, whereas if n equal to 1, then we will have some result. Whereas here, if n is greater than 2, then recurrence relation is given, whereas if n is between 0 to 2, then we have some result. Okay, so let us solve this problem. T of n equal to 2t of root n plus c. T of n equal to 2t of root n can be written as n power 1 by 2 plus c. Here we have t of n by n power 1 by 2. So let us derive the formula for t of n power 1 by 2. Already we know what is t of n. So in order to get t of n power 1 by 2, so in place of n, substitute n power 1 by 2. n power 1 by 2. n power 1 by 2. Additionally, here we have 1 by 2 plus c. So we can write this as 2 into t of n power 1 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 2 square plus c. Here we have t of n by n power 1 by 2 square. So let us derive the formula for t of n power 1 by 2 square. So already we know what is t of n. So in order to get t of n power 1 by 2 square, in place of n substitute n power 1 by 2 square. So 2t of, in place of n substitute n power 1 by 2 square. So 1 by 2 square power 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 cube. So n power 1 by 2 cube plus additionally we have c. So here what is the problem? T of n equal to 2t of n power 1 by 2 plus c. Let it be equation 1. So t of n equal to, so 2 into, already we know what is t of n power 1 by 2. So let us substitute the formula. So what is t of n power 1 by 2? 2t of n power 1 by 2 square plus c plus, this is the given problem. So this is nothing but t of n power 1 by 2. Here additionally we have c. So we can write this as 2 square into t of n power 1 by 2 square plus 2 into c, and additionally we have c. Let it be equation number 2. Next, t of n equal to 2 square into, already we know what is t of n power 1 by 2 square. So let us substitute the formula. So t of n power 1 by 2 square. So 2t of n power 1 by 2 cube plus c, and here additionally we have 2c plus c. 2c plus c. So we can write this as 2 square into 2 means 2 cube into t of n power 1 by 2 cube plus 2 square into c, 2 square into c plus, we can write 2 as 2 power 1 into c plus, we can write this c as 2 power 0 into c. 2 power 0 is nothing but 1, so 1 into c. So for space constraints, I am erasing this portion. Now let us find the kth term. Kth term. So after k number of steps, let us derive t of n formula in terms of k. If you see here, let it be equation number 3. Next, let it be equation number 2. Okay, if you see here we have 2 cube into t of n power 1 by 2 cube. If you see the second equation, we have 2 square into t of n power 1 by 2 square. So we can write this as 2 power k into T of n power 1 by 2 cube. N by T of n power 1 by 2 cube. So this 3 is nothing but this 3 only. So k value. T of n power 1 by 2 power k plus, here we have 2 square. Actually we have 3 here. So how to get 2 from 3? 3 minus 1. So likewise here we can do the subtraction. So 2 power, how to get 2? K minus 1 into C plus, here we have 1, here we have 3. So how to get 1 from 3? By subtracting with 2 power k minus 2 into C plus, so plus, here we have so on. We have 2 power 1 into C plus 2 power 0 into C. 2 power 1 into C plus 2 power 0 into C. So this is nothing but T of nth term, kth term equation. This is T of n. If you see the problem, in the problem the base condition is given. The base condition is if n is between 0 to 2, then the result is 2. So that means T of 0 value, n is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 2. So greater than 0, less than or equal to 2 means n value may be greater 1 or 2. Because 1 is greater than 0, less than 2. 2 is greater than 0, 2 is equal to 2. Here I am assuming this as 2. So here n value may be 1 or 2. I am assuming n as 2. So T of 2 means 2. So that is the base condition. So that's why here in place of T of n power 1 by 2 power k, I am substituting 2. For terminating purpose, what I am doing is I am equating these two terms. N power 1 by 2 power k equal to, what is the base condition? This 2 is the base condition. So let us equate these two. Okay. So apply log on both sides. Then we will get log n power 1 by 2 power k equal to log 2. So by default the base is 2 only. So log a base a means 1. This is in the form of log a power m. Log a power m means m log a. So here what is m? 1 by 2 power k into log n equal to 1. Okay. So we can write this as log n equal to 2 power k. So how to get 2? In order to get 2, apply log on both sides. In order to get k. So log n equal to log 2 power k. So we can write this as log 2 power k means log a power m means m log a. So k log 2, by default the base is 2 only. So k equal to log n. So what is k value? So here if we observe this one, what is k value? K value is log n. What is 2 power k? From this, what is 2 power k? 2 power k means log n. 2 power k means log n. So here I am erasing this portion. So 2 power k into T of n equal to 2 power k into T of, so this is nothing but T of 2 plus, if you see here, if you see these terms, C is common. So let us write from the last term 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 so on 2 power k minus 2 plus 2 power k minus 1. So 2 power k into, what is T of 2? That is nothing but the base condition. That value is given as 2. If n is between 0 to 2, then the result is 2. So 2 plus c into, so this is nothing but geometric progression. So what is GP formula? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So here what is a value? Starting term. So 2 power 0 into what is r? This ratio 2 power 1 by 2 power 0. 2 power 1 by 2 power 0. That is nothing but 2. 2 power, what is the nth term? Kth term, k. So 2 power k minus 1 by r minus 1. What is r? That is 2. 2 minus 1. So if you see here we have 2 power k into 2 plus c into, what is 2 power 0? 1. So 1 into anything is nothing but that anything only. So 2 power k minus 1 by 2 minus 1 means 1. So already we know what is 2 power k. What is 2 power k? Log n. Already we have calculated that. So log n into 2 plus this is nothing but some constant part. So c into, what is 2 power k? Log n minus 1. If we observe the equation, log n 2 c is constant. So here we have only one term, that is log n. So we can say that here the time complexity is order of log n. Order of log n. We don't have any other terms other than log n. So by solving this problem, we got the solution as order of log n. So likewise we can solve any problem very easily.